Making money online is something many people dream about, but it can feel confusing at first. There are so many options, and it's hard to know where to start. And the good news is that anyone can start earning online, even if you have no experience. Today, I will explain simple and effective ways for beginners to make money online in a way that is easy to understand and start right away. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and share tips to help you earn more money online. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the links in the description to check out tools, platforms and special offers that will help you to start earning faster. By using the description links, discounts or free trials that will be applied automatically. So you can get the most value without extra effort. Now let's start with one of the simplest way to make money online is freelancing. Freelancing means offering your skills or services to people over the internet. You can write, design, make videos, edit photos, do voiceover, or even offer the data entry work. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer that can make it easier to connect with clients who need help. The great thing is about freelancing is that you can start small with just one service and grow over time as you gain experience and reviews. Another way is selling products online. You do not need a big store or inventory to get started. You can sell things on platforms like Etsy, eBay, or even Shopify if you want your own online store. Some people use dropshipping where you sell product without holding the stock. When someone buys from your store, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer. This way, you can run a store with low investment and still earn money. Affiliate marketing is also a powerful option. This means promoting product or services of other companies. And when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. And you don't need to create your own product. Many websites like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or other online services, they offer affiliate programs. The key is to promote product your audience needs or likes and explain them clearly so people feel confident to buy through your link. Creating content online is another method that works very well. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or blogging with WordPress that allow you to share videos, tips, or articles. Once your content grows and attracts an audience, you can make money through ads, sponsorships, or even selling your own product or courses. The more consistent and helpful your content is, the faster your audience grows, and the more ways you can earn. Teaching and creating online courses is also a great option. If you have knowledge or skills that others want to learn, you can create courses and sell them on platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, or even your own website. Online learning is very popular, and many people are willing to pay for quality courses. You can also offer coaching or monitoring if you prefer one on one teaching. Another option is taking surveys or doing small online tasks. Websites like Swagbucks, Tuluna, or Clickworker pay you for sharing your opinion, testing websites, or completing the simple online jobs. While these do not make huge money, but they are a simple way to start earning quickly with very little effort. The key is to making money is to start small and focus on one or two methods at a time. Consistency is very important. Learn the skills you need, apply them, and keep improving over time. Don't try to do everything at once because that can be overwhelming. Focus, practice, and grow step by step, and you will start seeing the results. Basically, in summary, beginners can make money online through freelancing, selling product, affiliate marketing, content creation, online courses, or small tasks. The important part is to take action. Start with what you can and stay consistent. Online learning is possible for everyone, and with patience and effort, you can build a steady income over time. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found this idea simple and useful to start making money online. If you want more tips and tutorial on earning online and building your business, make sure to subscribe the Easy Access Tech and don't forget to use the link from the description to get your special offers and tools. Discount will be applied automatically when you use them. And I will see you in the next video with more easy ways to grow your online income.